Hey, so good morning. Today we're at Antietam Lake in Berks County. This is a stocked lake, so it's got some trout in it. And we just rigged a couple lines. I'm going to do a couple more. It's about breaking 20 degrees now, so it's warming up. It's sunny. It's actually pretty comfortable. And we got about 6 to 8 inches of ice, I'd say, underneath us here, which is pretty good for Berks County. Otherwise, just a beautiful day to be out. Just dropped it in the water. Oh, got him. Oh, looks like they're hitting. Wow, right off the bat. That's pretty cool. All right. God. Pretty nice looking. Another rainbow. Swears there's fish there. Gotta be really careful. This is a very thin line. Oh, he let go. Rats. Just had one here. I think he took off with it. Got one. Wow, it's a pretty good size one. Holy smokes. Oh. That's a king daddy one there. Man, that is a big fish. It's a big brown trout. Wow. Hey, so folks, that's all we've got for today on this episode of Yinzer Fishing. If you like this kind of stuff, hit the like button and subscribe. We had a great day on Antietam Lake. Caught several trout, and it was a beautiful day. So we'll see you.